Aloha everyone, this is Lenora, Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm going to show you the easiest thing you can make, especially for pupus, for your Super Bowl party this Sunday. And all you need is English muffins. I'm just going to make 2 whole English muffins, which are 4 pieces. This will make 4 servings. So first of all, I have here some extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to brush each top. So the oven's preheated to 400 and I'm going to put it in for 5 minutes. Okay, the muffins have come out of the oven and you can see it's just a little brown on the edges. You don't want it black or anything, and it's pretty crunchy. That's what you want. Okay, so now the easy thing is the sauce. You can use any kind of sauce, just plain tomato sauce is fine. And then you can use Italian seasoning, or you can use oregano and parsley and different herbs, okay? But this one happens to be from a jar. You can use pizza sauce, marinara sauce, and many times I make my own sauce, but I didn't do it, okay? So now we're just gonna put some sauce on each muffin. Now we're gonna put some toppings on. Let's try different ones. Put some hamburger on. And you can't fit too much, so you can make a lot. Okay, next one we'll put some bits of pepperoni. Okay, and you put as much as you like on it. And the kids will absolutely love this. And they can be good helpers too. They have fun assembling all of this, okay? And another one would have olives. You can combine them all, whatever you want. Okay. Just put it on there like that. And then lastly, you put some cheese. And like I said, any kind of cheese. So this is a combination of cheddar and I think jack cheese. And you can put, and if you're vegetarian, you can use all veggies too. Some people don't like all this stuff on it, so you can make it plain. So this one I'm gonna do plain. So you see, everybody can make their own. Then you add some spices. Like I said, Italian is fine. Or if you don't want, you don't have to put it on. Okay. Now I like mozzarella on top because that's the one that melts and it makes it all gooey, and when you pull it apart, it's really yummy. And this is gonna go back in the oven at 400 for 10 minutes. And then it's ready to eat. So these just came out of the oven. So I'm gonna brush it with some sauce. Just showing you a different variation. Okay, this time I'm gonna put the cheese on first because the other one, the cheese covered everything and you couldn't really see. This is again the cheddar cheese and the jack cheese combination, okay? So now I'm gonna put some olives. And again, put anything you want on it. And this one here, we put some hamburger. And just a little special, this is some grilled tomatoes. I'm just gonna put it with the olives, but it'll be hidden, so I'll put this on top. Okay. And that's it. Or if you want pepperoni, you can do a slice or 2. Just like that, okay? And then we're gonna put it back in 10 minutes in the oven. Okay, I did this one a little different. This one here, all the toppings are underneath, so you can't see it. So this one here, I put the cheese first and then the toppings. Okay, this is the one with the cheese underneath. And it looks much better than this one where all the stuff is hidden. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't, and comment. And if you have any requests, let me know. Mahalo for watching. Thank you.